So we just got to the port. You can't see it. I can see it though. The ship is there. It's huge. We here. Wave, TJ. Yes. This is home for the next 3 months. I'm excited. Oh, we are in the room. Let me give y'all the tour. This will be the crib for the next 3 months, y'all. This will be the crib. Little mirror here. Desk. Got a safe in here. These are our closets. They both the same. Nice little mirror here. Got the bathroom. The bathroom kind of nice. It's not that bad. It's really not that bad at all. Shower. Like, look at this. This is yeah. This is his side. And he has an outlet on this side, and I don't. But we have a window, so we can always see what's going on, you know. Never let him know your next move. Y'all, this man saved my life. I got him hooked. He saved my life because I would have been asleep. I would have still been asleep right now, y'all. I would have still been asleep right now. I would have still been asleep. That's okay. Hey. What's that name? Where y'all from?
Welcome.
I'm from.
Oh.
You guys go first. Okay, so let's start with Deja.
Okay.
Hey, I'm from Nevada.
Come on now. Where you go to school at?
University of Virginia.
I'm Rita. I'm a sophomore and I go to the University of Oklahoma.
Come on now.
I'm Amy. I'm a senior and I go to Grand Canyon University and I'm from Chicago.
Chicago, okay.
I'm Corey. I'm from SoCal. I'm a junior.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Miel. I'm from Los Angeles and I go to USC.
Y'all go to Cali.
I'm Mariella. I'm also from Los Angeles and I'm going to LMU.
Oh, yeah. You know, y'all know me. Y'all know how we are.
Hey vlog, what's up?
I want more.
Look, guys, y'all gotta add me. You know, I'm Champagne Poppy's little.
Oh, this way.
No, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, this is nice. What the TikTok saying? Yeah, I did it for a check, and you win too. First meal, we have some beef stroganoff.
Hello.
Y'all have a big room.
What's up? Come in.
This is the spot.
What's your name, bro?
Terrell.
Terrell Santiago. Nice to meet you.
I like your name.
Thanks, bro. I like your name.
Keon. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Terrell.
I'm Jackson, bro. Nice to meet you, my man.
Jackson. I got a hoodie on.
This is the only emergency signal which
We're doing a lifeboat drill. Something of that sort. We are halfway through. Well, are we?
I'm done.
Oh, you done?
I have to put this on the thing and then put my dirty clothes and I'm done.
I'm halfway through. We getting there.
Say hello.
What up? nice. They having a port party?
The parents have been here from.
Hey!
Yes. Are you excited?
Yes,
this is
so
gonna be
excited.
so much fun. We're at this beautiful harbor and we're getting ready to set sail.
Yes.
It doesn't feel real. It feels fake.
What are y'all most looking forward to?
I was excited for my camel trek in Morocco, so we'll see if that's still a thing. But praying for Morocco. Get better soon. Sending love.
Yeah, and I'm excited for India. I've just always wanted to visit. You know, it's really great.
Taj.
It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have and we're gonna learn them first too. Yeah, we're gonna learn them.
Awesome. Yes. Oh, wow. Come along.
I'm about to go around. Let's head out to see what this world has for you and for me. Yeah. They like, no, that ain't it. We saying, oh, yeah, let's go.
Oh my God.
Now, cause we're living the sweet life. I don't know it. I don't know it for real. I don't know it. Yo, we are leaving. Yes, yes.
Yes.
We're leaving, y'all. We are leaving.
We're heading out.
We are heading
pushed
out.
off the docks.
We're officially off the dock.
Yes.
Taking off.
For so long.
This is
I don't know how to feel.
amazing.
For like 3 seconds every time.
I don't want to blind anybody, but I'm about to start a Sweet Life on Deck party over here. Oh, we're leaving. We're leaving. They partying over there. Oh, we're leaving. We are leaving Belgium. We're entering Belgium and we are headed to Morocco, Casablanca, Morocco. They did just tell us that there was a huge earthquake in Morocco and there were like upwards of like thousands or over 1,000 lives that were lost. So just want to pay my respects to those people who lives were lost in that.
Yeah, no, same here.
It's just crazy. Pray for Morocco. And this one kind of moved though. Huh?
The green goes really well.
And he fly. Look at him. He's a fashionista.
Oh yeah, he is.
He's real fly. Now you gonna see so many outfits. You gonna see he put it on. He be putting it on. How you feeling? How you feeling?
Taral, you're now officially a Semester FC student. How do you feel?
I feel very, very blessed to be here right now. It's like never in my life would I have thought I would be traveling the world like this, and to have the means and the funds and to be able to go is just amazing. We're about to be in 11 different countries. Like, I'm mind blown. I'm still taking it in. I'm still trying to, yeah, just take it in, you know? It's a very exciting, I'm not nervous at all. I'm an adventurous person, so it's very exciting. I'm looking forward to every single thing. Yeah. It's good, y'all. It's approximately like 2:30 in the morning, and Wamika and I, we're just roaming around, kind of exploring. I hope they got bacon and eggs and sausage. That's all I want, for real, for real. This is nice. Got like a little terrace out here. Oh yes, honey. Gonna be in this zone a lot. Nah, that's another one. Let's explore. Oh, but like you're running, like you watching the sunrise. Oh, they have snacks down there? Oh wow!
I might lose my snack virginity on like the first night and I don't care.
Thinking about safety. It's just crazy. Like we could have been in Morocco. Like we literally could have been in Morocco.
That's what I was thinking. Like, imagine we really was in Morocco when the hurricane hit. That would have been very like a scary moment.
Human earthquake, by the way. Human earthquake. But that's global studies every day. Everyone has to take it too. Watermelon sugar. Is this Dubai? This Dubai? Or India?
Or Jordan.
Oh yeah, Jordan. Oh yes. You should come to Petra.
What you said?
You should come to Petra Watermelon. Hi. That is day 1 of many of our semester at sea.